I'm Brenda. Welcome back to my quilt room. I'm going to show you a stash busting scrap quilt today. And since this is my own version creation, I do have the instructions in a PDF below the video. We're calling this Kentucky Fall Quilt. And this one came out to be 68 by 76. And I'm in love with this. I love Civil War reproduction fabrics. And I think this was a Marcus production line. And I just love the colors. I didn't quite have enough from my layer cake to make this. So I pulled in some fabrics that I already had from my own stash and chopped them up. And you really would never know that they were not part of the collection line. But I'm just really happy with how it came out. I love the colors. It's very, to me, when I look at it, it says old-fashioned, and it reminds me of being in the mountains at my grandmother's house, that she would have had a quilt like this, and I would have pulled it up over me on the front porch swing. So I just love it, and I think I'm gonna make another one of these. It was really simple, and if you have a lot of 5-inch squares, if you have a large scrap stash, you could cut a lot of squares and rectangles. Now, I did have some yardage of this light background, but if you have a lot of light background, nothing says you have to use the same print. You could cut up many different light colored prints and just separate those from all your colored blocks and stitch it up, and you will have a beautiful, whatever your favorite colors are for fall or for Christmas, or just to give as a gift. But anyway, I'm really happy with this one. I love the colors. I'm probably going to make this one again and try to cut through more of my scrap stash. So if you like my videos, I would appreciate your subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up. And just remember that the directions for this quilt, they are in a PDF in the link below. Thanks for watching.